Today, we're going to be unboxing a mixer I got from TaoBao. Welcome back to The Harvest is Ready. Now at The Harvest is Ready, we're going to be doing things to help you be empowered by God to do what you need to do to serve God effectively. Now, part of this is going to be fairly technical. So now I've been looking at some inexpensive devices to help you connect good audio to your OBS streams. Now, tried this device. I don't know what it's like. This is the first time I purchased anything like this on TaoBao. But as you can see here, we've got a nice little mixer. Okay, it's got 4 ports in. It apparently has a USB out that you connect to your computer, and all these little good things. So let's get into it. Let's open this thing up, and it's only about $50 US. So let's have a quick look at that now. Okay, so we're gonna go to my overhead picture-in-picture mode, and I'm gonna get my, where is it? Just here. Okay, here we go. We're gonna open this up. I've not even seen what's inside it. Hopefully it's the right thing. I don't know. Let's have a look inside. We're opening. Oh, it's got one bag, and we've got another bag inside it. Oh, okay. We'll throw that on the floor. Okay, let's have a look at that. Oh, it's a little bit opened. Never mind. But it seems to be wrapped really quite well. Okay, here we are. Wrapped up in bubble wrap. Okay, here we go. So there we have it. You can see there. Okay. Let's have a look here. Certainly like their bubble wrap. Okay, here we go. Oh, yes. Let's have a look at that close up. Can you see it here? Wow, there we go. That's the musical mini mixer, multifunction PC interface mixing console. Okay, so let's have a good look at this. Okay, let's go back to the overhead mode. Okay, so this is the first time that I'm looking at this. So do I have it the right way? Oh, maybe I've got it the wrong way around. There we go. Let's put it down this way so you can see it. There we go. Ooh. Oh, yeah, what do we... Oh, okay. Box. Got a USB charger. Okay. Fortunately, it's not for mine, but that doesn't matter. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, that's nice. We've got some 3/4 to RCA inputs. Cool. Well, that must be from there. And we've got this little baby here. Oh, don't forget the USB cable. So yeah, looks like this thing is powered solely by USB. There we go, a little instruction manual here. And let's see, what does it say? Product specification. 1 input channel sensitivity, mic 60 dB, channel blah blah, 2 outputs. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at that. So 4 inputs. Yeah, I've got, this is a 4 model, but it's obviously the same USB power supply. So here we go, let's have a look. Not bad. There we go. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs. And what do we have here? Yeah, musical mini mixer interface, paths, PC interfacing, networking connections. So what can we do here? We've got a gain. We've got a high and low peak measurement thing here. Overall volume for the particular channels. We can turn off effects, so we can turn a delay, which is like a reverb. or repeat. Well, we'll figure those ones out soon. Headphones, phones, can input a USB, left and right. Yeah, change it from, yeah, it's very light, very lightweight. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 channels here, and then we've got some, and then 5 and 6. So this is a 6-port one that I got. I didn't get the 4-port, I got the 6-port. 5 and 6 are together, so these two here come into one channel in here, and that also applies for the USB as well. So I'm not sure if this is going to be good to work. I will plug it in and see how it goes, check it all out, and we'll go from there. Okay. Well, I've had the mixer for a few days in my system, tried it out with different devices, with a piano, with an aerophone, and I've been able to record some sounds. I haven't got some samples, but what I can tell you, I was able to connect it successfully both to my desktop PC and my laptop. One caveat is with my laptop, when I was running with battery power, I needed to use a USB hub that was powered in order to be detected properly in the system. But other than that, everything worked fine. So it was a good result, and it was a nice clean sound that I could adjust quite well and quite easily on the device. One caveat is that when you press the 48V, it tends to reset the whole device, and as a result, the sound card connection to the computer tends to reset itself. But an unplug and plug in again fixes that problem quite nicely. So all in all, not a bad little product, not bad at all. So if you like this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe. The more you like, the more you comment, the better my results will get on YouTube. So please do that. Thank you very much. Also follow me on Facebook as well. You know, that's where you can get more of the spiritual side of things and everything like that accordingly. So don't forget that this channel is designed to equip the body of Christ to do what they need to do, and especially in these times where we're not actually meeting in person as much, more and more do we need to improve our game when it comes to our technology. So this is what I'm here for. So anyway, till next time, be empowered by God.